So who's Baykar? If you've been following UAV developments, you've probably heard of the Bayraktar TB2. This medium-altitude, long-endurance UAV has made waves globally, from reconnaissance missions to precision strikes. It's been a game-changer in asymmetric warfare, and Baykar's innovation continues to push boundaries. Now, let's talk about Piaggio Aerospace. This Italian company has a rich history dating back to 1884. Known for the P180 Avanti, a sleek business aircraft with a unique pusher propeller design, Piaggio has always been synonymous with elegance and engineering prowess. But in recent years, they've faced financial difficulties, leading to this acquisition. Baykar's, it's bound to be revolutionary. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more intriguing insights from the world of aviation. Until next time, fly high and stay curious.